It's Monday. We're kicking off the markets in bearish territory. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, February 9th, 2015. Here we are taking a look at the markets, major indices in negative territory. We have the S&P down 0.42% with the Dow down 0.53%, the Nasdaq down 0.39% with the Russell's down 0.8%. Banks off by more than 1%. And you have VIX, which is the volatility index, which is the fear indicator of the markets, increasing by 7.6%. Gold higher by almost 0.5%. Silver higher by nearly 2%. And I added more to my silver position today. Crude oil up 1.5%. And we have US dollar at break even. And utilities index, which is a defensive sector, down nearly 1%. The transportation index, we should be giving support to the Dow. It's down more than 1% when the Dow is only down 0.5%. So that is underlying weakness for the markets. All right, taking a look here at the S&P 500 daily chart. You'll see this big symmetrical triangle. And last week we broke out of it. Softened up here on Friday, and then today, Monday, we do have a lower high, lower low. It did start to pull back. So this is our pivot candlestick. It is not a defined down leg yet because we don't have another red candlestick. We need that to happen with 2 lower highs and 2 lower lows. We only have 1 lower high, 1 lower low. Pivot candle still above all major moving averages and above our trend line. So because we're above the trend line here, and we're above all the major moving averages, and because this pivot candle didn't just sell off, because of that I went ahead and took half of my hedge off. Remember, I was net to the short side today going into the weekend. Speaking of the weekend, thank you for all of the emails. Holy smokes, I was flabbergasted by how many emails came in. You guys, and then for you guys leaving comments at YouTube, thank you so much for leaving those comments. Thank you. I need to go in and respond to each and every one of those, but very, very much appreciated. And what's interesting is I've had several people say thank you for the rants. They are so helpful, and that's interesting. Wasn't intending to go into a rant. I kind of slipped into it, but I did that in the past and got good feedback from that. So I decided to just let it go and roll with it. I rolled with it, went ahead and produced it and sent it out to the world to see. So anyway, kudos all you guys. Really appreciate that. But I was net to the short side here. So today did really well on an inverse ETF, which was the Russell's. I like the Russell's 3 times inverse ETF. And that is, you want to write this down, write down ticker symbol SRTY. SRTY. I like to do that's 3 times. I also like to use futures to hedge. I can roughly protect right around $50,000 worth of risk with 1 contract short. Not too bad. That's with an E-mini future on the Russell also. But anyway, because of this, not having to sell off, I got rid of half of my hedge protection. Still have hedge going with a stop loss plan in place, and went ahead and sold a couple of my longs here on this weakness, but I picked up some longs also because I think there's a decent chance that tomorrow is going to be a bullish candlestick and we're going to remain above these moving averages. Now, if I'm wrong on that, when we do bleed out, this could be a nasty little drop. I will keep that hedge. We'll probably add to it, and then I will start taking off long positions if that were to happen. And by the end of the day, if I see it's going to bounce and head back north, I'll probably start loading back some long. So I'm nimble. I'm in and out quickly. Some of these will be day trades. Others will be swing trades. I predominantly like the swing trade because it allows me freedom. I like to be able to do my trades after the market closes, make my decisions then, and it gives me a lot of freedom. Day trading, I'm stuck there and I have to do it at that time. I can't walk away. So anyway, it's just how I'm built and wired. But man, if you guys aren't part of the chat room, if you like to day trade, you need to be part of our chat room. Go to the website to check that out. Oh, speaking of that, when I say go to the website, we have a new website, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. If you go there, get your 6 trading videos here. These are downloadable videos. They're trading tutorials that you can keep on your own computer and watch them as many times as you want to. Those are free to you. Feel free to do that. Chart School, a lot of cool things in the Chart School here. Very, very cool here. Trading videos, these are our videos each and every day. Bookmark us, Control D on your computer. But the site I was referring to that you'll want to go to is Grok Trade. When you go to Grok Trade here, go to Education. When you go to Education, go to Chat Room. That's for day traders. Rockstar Chat Room. And we have some stock picks too. But all right, take care, guys. We'll catch up with you guys later.